Remedies for trespass to person. Introduction. When a person's body or personal liberty is unlawfully interfered with, the law of torts provides remedies to protect individual rights. Trespass to person is actionable per se, meaning that the injured person can claim remedies even without proving actual damage. Remedies aim to compensate the victim and prevent repetition of the wrongful act. These remedies apply to assault, battery, and false imprisonment. Understanding remedies is important for LLB examinations. Damages. Damages are the most common remedy for trespass to person. The court may award compensation for physical injury, mental suffering, loss of liberty and humiliation. Since trespass to person is actionable per se, even nominal damages can be awarded where no actual harm is proved. In serious cases, substantial damages may be granted. Damages help compensate the victim and deter wrongful conduct. Injunction. An injunction is a preventive remedy granted by the court to restrain the defendant from continuing or repeating the wrongful act. It is especially useful where there is a threat of repeated assault or unlawful detention. Injunction protects personal safety and liberty. It may be temporary or permanent depending on the circumstances. This remedy is discretionary in nature. Habeas corpus. Habeas corpus is a special remedy available in cases of false imprisonment. It is a writ issued by a court to secure the release of a person who is unlawfully detained. The detaining authority must justify the detention before the court. If detention is found unlawful, immediate release is ordered. This remedy directly protects personal liberty. Self-help. In limited circumstances, a person may use reasonable force to protect himself against assault or battery. Self-help must be proportionate and necessary. Excessive force is not permitted. This remedy is preventive rather than compensatory. It is recognized by law as a natural right of defense. Criminal proceedings. Acts amounting to trespass to person may also constitute criminal offenses under criminal law. Assault, battery, and false imprisonment can attract criminal liability. The injured person may initiate criminal proceedings in addition to civil remedies. Criminal action punishes the offender and acts as a deterrent. Civil and criminal remedies can coexist. Conclusion. The law provides effective remedies for trespass to person to protect bodily integrity and personal liberty. Damages, injunctions, and habeas corpus ensure compensation and immediate relief, while criminal proceedings and self-help act as deterrents. These remedies uphold individual dignity and freedom. A clear understanding of remedies for trespass to person is essential for scoring well in LLB examinations.